Good morning. Today is a Thursday, July 9th. Gonna be hot. 2020. Thanks for watching Danny Designs. Really appreciate it. Let me show you what I'm gonna do today, and I'll get some, some live action of it. Won't be live when you see it, but it'll be live when I'm taping it, right? Recording it. Anyway, I'm at the position on my cabin where I need more 1x for the flooring. As you've seen, I've got the plumbing done, the electrical work done, all the stuff under the house pretty much done. Now I can start putting the flooring on. So I've got, over by the sawmill, I've got the logs sitting here that I'm going to start using. I'll get these all milled up, and then obviously I'll have to fall some more trees. But I've got to position the backhoe, sorry about the sun, the backhoe in this area like you've seen before, so I can lift the log up, set it on the sawmill. And then I'm going to hook this trailer up. I'm going to back it right in here, in this area right here, so that it's closer, so I can take the wood off the sawmill, put it directly onto the trailer. And then from that point, from the trailer, I'll be able to drag it over to the saws over there so I can size them up and cut the proper lengths and widths and stuff on the hopefully I get the widths done right here, but the lengths done with the table saw and all that stuff. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing right now, is getting this stuff kind of organized. Got to put a new blade on the, not new, but a sharpened blade on the sawmill. I'm going to gas it, oil it, make sure everything's ready. Don't know if I'll start milling today, but I'm going to get it ready so if I want to in the morning, I can come down, get out here before it gets real hot, get some boards milled up. So anyway, that's what I'm getting ready to do. I will probably, I don't know if I'll unhook the little tractor to move the trailer in this position or not. I'm not sure if I'll use my pickup or the little trailer. It's kind of the same. I've got to put the hitch on the truck, or I got to unhook that trailer from the tractor. So same amount of work, just different. So I'll probably use the tractor. That's what I'll probably do. Okay, all right, I'm gonna take a pause real quick and get some stuff organized, and I'll show you some video of me getting this stuff done. All right. Put those pieces of wood over on that other pile. Just got to toss them over. There's kind of scraps for now. Move the blue tractor out of the way. Start that. Back it into position. Well, I won't do that. I'll put the blade on the sawmill first. That way when I start that, I can actually go ahead and work it and put a log on the sawmill at that point. So I'm going to move the blue tractor out of the way. And I guess I'll pause this for this point because I got to walk over and get the blade. So I'll move the blue tractor out of the way, go over to my pickup, get the blade. I'll get myself putting the blade on and then moving the backhoe. All right, I'm trying to get the camera situated a little bit better there. I know I've done a video on this before, but this is just the process that I'm going through today, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Untarping, getting all this off, and being careful there's no critters. There has been critters. There's that part of it. Get this out of the way so I don't forget. I will forget it. And I'll be looking for it, wondering where my strap is, and being all confused. I've already basically cleaned all that out. By that I mean, you know, the sawdust and stuff that's kind of built up in there. Not all of it, there's always some. I guess I did run it once after I cleaned this. So, clean out that little vent thing there. Got that. Then putting the blade on. Make sure the teeth at the bottom are going that direction because it rotates this way. Rotate it in there. I haven't tightened it up yet because I'm not ready to put tension on it to use it today. So putting it in place, making sure it's up against those guides really well. And that's it. I'm getting a little better at that, feeling it. Putting this back on. I see people running this without this shield on there all the time, and I'm not going to be one of those guys. I'm not going to be one of those guys looking for an accident waiting to happen. It's bad enough when you get tired. You don't have to tighten this thing up real tight, but if you don't tighten it up decent, these things will just vibrate and make a lot more noise. So there's that part. I'm just going to throw these boards over there in the scrap pile. And then I'll back the camera up, start up the backhoe, and get it in position. So I'll adjust the camera after I move these things out of the way. Hopefully I don't knock the camera over. I'll be able to use these in certain areas just as blocks or, you know, different things because they're not perfect cut. But, you know, there's still some good chunks of wood there that I can use. So, all right, now my next thing I've got to put in is the tall, they're not dogs. I'm not sure what they're called. I used to say it, I'm sure. but so that when I bring the log over, it'll hit these and stop. See these guides or whatever you call them, I leave them fairly high. So when I swing that log over, it gives me something to push up against, like so. So that's good. What I also started doing was just using this piece of scrap iron that fits right in here, so that when I set it in there, if it starts to swing, it stops it. It's been working okay. It just doesn't, if you hit it too hard, it doesn't help because it falls out. I guess I could design something to put there, make it a little better. All right, I'm ready to grab a log. I guess I'll just grab that one, huh? Right there on top. Grab that one and put it on there. Gotta watch for snakes, I know that. Should I grab that one or that big one right there? You know, I think I'll get that one right there. I need to measure that one to see the length. And I don't want to do that today. So I'm going to grab that one right there. And get it on there. Let me see here. I'm going to use my grappler thing there, my log grabber, to put on there. So give me a second here. I'm going to grab a strap out of the backhoe. Tell you what, these straps I bought these at Harbor Freight. They're a lifesaver, but they sure do come in handy. Alright, so I got that right there. Try to make sure that it's not twisted. There we go. Alright, move this out of the way. Put it over here. Alright, so I know when I bring that bucket over, start lifting this, it's going to be uneven, but I'll have to lift it up, get it over so I can work it a little bit better, and then adjust it. It might, you never know about logs. And what I'm talking about, grabbing that log, see how it's bigger on this end than that end, so this end should be heavier. So instead of putting that in the middle, it should be off to there a little bit, but if there's a log under there where I can't get the grappler right there, that's where I'd like to have it. But anyway, should be able to lift that thing up after I get this started and put it on the sawmill. Well, let's see. All right, I'm gonna put the camera over here so maybe we can see a little bit better. Oh, it's already getting hot out here. That's all right. Here we go. Let me see. Now I might be able to, yeah. I might be able to do all that, huh? All right. As you can see, when I'm bringing that log down, sometimes it starts twisting on me. I don't know if you can see it or not. Then I brought it down, but I didn't get it far enough forward. So instead of trying to use the hook to position it, because that thing swivels, and you know, because it's designed to kind of do that, to lock on there, obviously. I'm going to wrap the strap around the whole log. So give me a second on that. So what I should be able to do right there is just lift that thing up and then slide it that way. All I need to do is come, what, foot at the most. All right, let's see if I can get this done. There we go. And it's like I set it on that strap, but that happens. I can get that out here in a little bit. Got it far enough forward so now I can lock it in place, put the dog on it so it won't roll off. Matter of fact, I do this a lot. I got this little block right here. It fits in there. Just kind of happened that way. That did its job. Okay, so